Let us see how you can send a success message whenever a payment is received in WhatsApp payments ecosystem. Create a bot flow. Select the trigger as WhatsApp chatbot and the payment received option. Select your channel here. In the next step, go to the option of send message. Select the option of order status message. Enter your content payment is successful. You can also add other details like payment amount, payment currency here. And you can select the option of payment reference ID in the reference ID field. Here you can enter a status and a description. Now, in the next step, select the option of add automation app. This is not mandatory but might be required. Select the option of payments. Here select the option of fetch payment order. Now in PO reference ID, select the option of payment.reference ID. Click on save. Now you can add router here and you can utilize it further to create routers and possibly send separate messages or separate questions to the user based on the inclusions of the payment order message. Thank you.